Today, we're going to bring the new straps for the Galaxy Watch 5 series. They have different various colors, and I'm going to show you the colors that they have. And these are intertwined into different colors so you guys can see the actual patterns of the fabric. This is fabric and it's elastic, all right? Stretchable, very simple. Any kind of watch that has 20 millimeters for the actual set, you can set it up to. So it doesn't have to only be Samsung, but I just want to show you the different colors that they have. And of course, I choose black because normally I wear black for everything. My shirt, my hand, my actual gloves, pretty much my wristband too. You guys can see. So it's gonna look good. These colors are very good, unique colors. If you guys can see it, and it looks good on hands. I'm just gonna put them so you guys can see a little sample how they look like. Like I said, it's stretchable if you're gonna be working out, sweating. This is perfect. To open it up is simple. This is actually stainless steel, so it's waterproof. So if you go underwater or something, it's nothing's gonna happen. The elastic's gonna always be there. All you gotta do is raise it up pretty much, and that's how it unlocks itself, right? And you stretch it out. Now to adjust this, very simple. You could just drag and drop this thing forward to the back, and it'll stretch out. So this will last you for many years. The strap itself. So I actually currently have one on one of my other watches, and it still hasn't failed. Still has the elastic. I swam with the actual watch. It, like I said, it has a water resistance. The band still intact. So very simple. Love the colors. Easy to set up. And of course, they have the pre-setup. So if you guys can see that, every single watch has a pre-setup. So all you got to do is move it to the back, and that lock it in place, and that's it. Every watch that Samsung makes has that pre-set up. Look at the fabric. Look at the beautiful fabric. Beautiful fabric. Elastic. Very simple. I hope you guys enjoy the video.